Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to create blend playlist on the Spotify. So this is the new feature by the Spotify. Now you can combine your music taste with your friends into a awesome playlist. So this playlist will automatically update on the daily basis on each person listening activity. So how you can create this playlist on the Spotify, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify and go to the search bar, and once you will click on the search bar from the main menu, and here you will see rap 2 or 21, click on it and now scroll up and here you will see create a blend option. So click on it and here you have to invite your friend, and once you will invite your friend and your friend will accept it, you will be able to create your blend playlist on the Spotify. So hope this video will helpful for you and this you will enjoy this feature of Spotify. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.